What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome. I'm TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today, guys, we got Ipsy Glam Plus. Now, y'all know that I stopped getting the subscription a few months back and just got the Glam bag, but I wanted to give the Plus another try. So if you guys want to see what's in May's Ipsy Glam Plus, keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you still rocking with Ipsy or nah. What's up, guys? As you can tell from the title, we have Ipsy Glam Plus for today. As you could tell from my face, boo, guess what? This is a try-on video. Absolutely. I hope you guys have your drink ready. Today, I just made up something with some juice and vodka and a little bit of, little teeny bit of Crown. I don't know how it tastes. We're going to taste it later, y'all. Well, let's take a drink right now and see. Ooh, girl. We are just going to be unboxing Ipsy Glam Plus. We're going to be laid back today, chilling, you know, doing a little try on. So I did take a peek inside of the box to see if we had enough items to finish my look off, and we do. So I'm very excited about that. I also had to get some prices because it didn't come with a card, but that's a whole nother situation. But we're gonna get into our shout outs. We're gonna do specs on the box, and we're gonna get on unboxing. We'll do the try on portion after the unboxing, so make sure you stick around for that. Before we go any further, I wanna give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. You know I love you guys dearly. For you guys that do not know, Ipsy Glam Bag is a $25 per month beauty subscription. You do have to pay taxes. You get 5 full-size products each month. It's supposed to have a minimum value of $120. And if you guys want to subscribe to Ipsy, the link is down below. Just click it, look around, see if you like it or nah. You can choose one product each month, and I will let you guys know the product that I did choose once we get into the box. So without further ado, boo, let's get this box on and popping, boo. Let's take a dance break and a drink break first. Ooh. Okay, my love, so the Ipsy Glam Plus comes like this in this box. We're gonna open it up. Ooh, it says discover yourself right there on the front. I was gonna give y'all a little sneak preview, but I'm not. It did come with this card, and the theme for the month is Get That Glow May 2020, but it did not have any prices in it, so I don't know why they gave us this. So let's see what we got. So up first, I'm pulling out this lip paint from Tarte. It is the Tarteist lip paint right here, and it is in the shade Fortune. So we're gonna go ahead and open it and take it out. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, my loves, and we're gonna swatch it. Ooh, I do love a nice pretty chocolate lip. It's right on my hand right here. It's my skin tone, guys, so we'll see how this works. I am excited for this color though. It is a beautiful chocolate brown color. I love it. And this, guys, is the Tarte Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade Fortune, and it retails for $20. Next up, we're pulling out Beauty for Real, this high definition defining volumizing mascara here. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, my loves. And we have the shade Just Black. Okay, let's see. Okay. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like. Just a sleek black packaging. It does have a little bitty applicator, which looks like it would be good for catching all of those little hairs. So we're gonna check this out and see if it's gonna give me some volumizing lashes, because y'all know I'm a part of the itty bitty lash committee, as y'all can see. And this is the Beauty for Real High Definition Mascara in Just Black, and it retails for $19, guys. Next up, I am pulling out from Wander Beauty, and this is a brow gel, a precise brow gel in the color Clear. Now, I don't really know how I feel about it not coming like in a box, just kind of thrown in there like this, but this is what the outside packaging is looking like, my loves. And when we open it up, this is the wand here, and it's in the shade Clear. And this retails for, let's see, and this retails for $22, guys. Next up, we have from Mud Masky, and this is an After Mask Vitamin Serum, pH balanced, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, and nourishing, and you get 30 mLs of product in here. And this is what the package looks like, my loves. And on the back here, it says, wash your hands and face, apply a thin layer to your face, leave the serum on during the day or night. And let's see. It does have a safety seal, so I will not be opening this, but I am excited to receive a vitamin serum. Okay, cool. And this is the Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum, and it retails for $52.88. Okay. All right. And last but not least is the item that I chose, and it is the Colored Rain Mimosa Moment eyeshadow palette. That's what the outside packaging is looking like. And it was two variations you could have gotten. I chose the neutral palette, but I think the other one was like purple, I think. This is what the outside packaging looks like, guys. I do love Colored Rain products. They are gorgeous. It comes with a mirror. Hey, boo. And this is the palette right here, guys. Nice, beautiful neutral browns and golds. We have 2 shimmers and 4 mattes. We're gonna swatch them really quick. They do feel nice and soft. And this is how they all look swatched out right there. Beautiful. I'm excited to create a look with this today. And this is the Colored Rain Cosmetics Mimosa Moment palette, and it retails for $22, guys. And we also got this beautiful bag for the month with a nice tassel on the end. I love it. It's a cute little bag, and that's the inside right there. That was my final product in this month's Ipsy Glam Plus. We're going to do final thoughts. I'm going to rate the box, and we're going to do the try-on portion. So we received from Colored Rain this Mimosa Moment palette here. From Mud Masky, this vitamin serum here. From Beauty For Real, this mascara in jet black. From Wander Beauty, this clear brow precise gel. And from Tarte, the lip paint here. So 5 products for this month, plus the Ipsy bag. The total for this bag is $135.88. So final thoughts on this bag is I actually like the Glam Plus for this month. They came through with the makeup. Out of the 5, I get 4 makeup products, which y'all know I love makeup products. And y'all know that these are colors that will possibly work well with me, or universal colors that everyone could wear. So I am really excited about that. This mask being $52, I would never purchase this, but I am glad that they gave this to me so I can try it out and let you guys know my thoughts on this. But I really thought that this month was a good box for Ipsy Plus. I am definitely going to try out next month and see what they have in store. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn lion's den, to 5 being this box is thebomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo? I'm going to give Ipsy Plus for the month of May a whopping 3.5 to 4. I really enjoyed this month's box, and I'm looking forward to the try-on portion. So yes, that's my rating and final thoughts. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you do not stay for the try-on portion, I appreciate you watching thus far. Cheers to you. We're going to take a drink, and then we're going to try on, boo. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in with the Wander Beauty brow gel in clear, just to kind of put them on my brows to see. I really don't like a wet gel, so I'm hoping that it don't leave my eyebrows looking wet. So let's see. No, it doesn't feel wet at all. I can feel that the product is coming out and it's not super wet, which I like. So that is a plus. I do like this. Okay, cool. Alrighty. It set it down really nice. They do not feel wet. They do look a tad bit shiny, but not too bad where I'm like, ugh. So we're going to keep playing with this. But first impressions, I did like the feel of it and the way that it makes my brows look. Next up, we're going to try out the Colored Rain palette. I'm just going to do a quick 2 shadow look today, guys, because I don't want the video to be like so super long. So this is what the palette looks like again, if you guys forgot. We're going to go in with this 3rd shade right here in the middle, just all over my lids really quick. I'm going to use my Morphe 505 brush. This palette does come with a mirror. We're going to put that all over the lid, guys. So far, the color is picking up nicely and smooth, building up really pretty. Let's do the other eye, just simple, quick strokes. Now that we got that first shadow down, I'm just going to do the front really quick with this shade right here on the end, this shimmer shade. I'm just going to put it right in the front of my eye, and I'll go in with my Sigma eyeshadowing E55 brush, and we're just going to dip right on into there, and we're just going to pack it right there on the front of the lid like that. Very quick and simple, guys. Nothing too major today. Ooh, that's very pretty. Very pigmented. Oh, very smooth. Beautiful. I love this color. I do love shimmers though. Y'all know that. That's cute. What y'all think? I think it looks really good. I'm going to go back into that first brush, and we're going to dip into this dark brown shade right here and just put it on the end of where we just kind of connect the two. Like dust it over just to kind of blend them in, and a little bit in the crease as well. So that's all we're doing. That looks so pretty. Wow, okay. See, you don't have to do a big fuss for a look, just quick, quick, quick. So let's put the mascara on. Beauty for Real. That's the applicator, very small. So I'm hoping that it will attach itself to each lash and give me a little volume. Okay. Oh, wow. Alrighty. It's giving me a little something. Now, the wand is super, super, super saturated, so a lot of product is coming off, which personally I don't mind, but I know a lot of people would not like that. But I tell you what, it did add a little volume, not too much thickness, but if you can tell from this eye to this eye, it's definitely adding some volume base, some length. I mean, yeah. And let's put it on the other side. Initially, it's very wet. I just dipped into this once, and I'm able to do both eyes. So it's wet, guys. Okay, and that's how my lashes are looking with just one coat of the mascara. So pretty much I kind of like it a little. We'll keep playing with this as well, but I'm gonna go put my lashes on really quick. Today I'm gonna wear the Zula lashes in Iris. I'm gonna go prep these, put these on, and I will be back to finish up the look and the video. Okay, my loves, I'm back. So I just went ahead on and popped on my lashes, and my hair sticking to it, and just added just a teeny bit of the gold in here, this shade here, to my inner corner, and I used some of the mascara on my bottom lashes. And I do like these two products. Again, this the wand is very saturated, but I do like the way it made my bottom lashes and top lashes look. Now we're just gonna finish off the look with the Tarte's lip paint in the shade, what is it, Fortune? Yes, this beautiful brown color. I lined my lips with the ColourPop Lippy pencil in the shade Tulips, and we're now gonna apply the color, and then we're gonna be done. So quick, huh? No, let's see. It's not as pigmented as I thought. I thought it would be like a more chocolate brown, but it is still wet. But I do love the color. I think it looks really good on my lips. I think it ties in well with the eye look. I probably could have gone a little bit lighter with the eyes, but we were just doing something simple today. And I do like the way the look came out. Simple eye, simple lip, and boo, we ready to go. So yes, baby, that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing as well as the try on portion. If you decided to watch the entire video, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate you. I really, really do. Don't forget, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, you need to do so right now. I told y'all it's free. Follow me on Instagram. All of those links are down below. If you want to subscribe to Ipsy, that link is down below as well. Give this video a big thumbs up for me if you liked it. But anyway, guys, that is all that I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the comments as well as on my next video. Cheers, guys, and enjoy life and live the best life that you can. Bye.